Hey, I wanted to take a minute and catch up on the fat tad. You saw the last video. This thing rattled like crazy. Go over bumps. It had a battery that went in this cage right here, and it just didn't fit right. It made a ton of noise, and it failed. So we had to replace it. The brakes were shot. Changed the brakes out. The alignment has been done. Just setting it dead straight. Seems to be the best. Seems to work good. And the latest bit is these cases. So I got these cases at Harbor Freight. $22 each. They are waterproof. Mount the battery inside. At the wiring, I'm gonna charge it right here. Probably we'll put the charger right here to pack it with it. Plenty of room. Could put four batteries if you wanted to. These are 48 volt, 10 amp hour batteries off Amazon. I paid $130 for the battery. See, this side's just storage right now. They're bolted to the rack at the bottom, connected with these heavy duty zip ties at the top, and then sealed off. And you can see a connector here where the power connects to it. And it's also got a strap inside with the zip ties to hold it in place in addition to the foam. It doesn't rattle at all. I was worried about these handles. I don't need them. I may glue them down. I don't want to take them off. I don't think I can take them off without making it look bad. But it didn't rattle. Threw some stickers on the back, reflectors. And so what's next? So we don't need this, right? This is in the way. Got the weight down low like we want. I'm going to come in here with a grinder, cut this off all the way around, and then bolt a 12 by 8 basket on the back of it and put straps on it or a net. So anyway, that's a plan with it, and there you go.